I want to advise the Pro-Wike group to stop all these desperations, all aimed at stopping the local government election, which cannot be possible. And I've just been informed this evening, just almost 5:30, when the court has already closed. One Chinwoboda and his wife was running around the court, trying to get a suit filed and an expert order granted this evening. Even when they could not perfect the filing, they were shouting, those people filing were shouting in the court, we need it to be sorted out because the judge that will grant the expert is already waiting. So when you hear this kind of thing, they have put an application. By the time the court closed this evening, that case have not gotten a suit number. They have another one that are filing at the FCT High Court and another one in the same Federal High Court to stop the allocation that is supposed to be coming to River State. Look at the kind of madness people imagine and draft, that allocation that is supposed to go to the people of River State, a state you are from, should be seized because you want to make sure that the governor does not do anything to destabilize the state in preparation for you to try to see if you can defeat him at the next election, which is an impossible task. So I want to use this opportunity to advise this Chief Judge of Federal High Court, Justice Soho. Nigerians are watching. Every day, per hour, per seconds, expert applications are being filed, all in favor of Pro-Wike group, assigned to particular judges under your own watch. These are the kind of things that destroy democracy. These are the kind of things that can lead to collapse of democracy. The other day was a judgment they should not be removed. The other day there's another judgment that budget cannot be passed. The other day there was another judgment National Assembly cannot take them over. There's another judgment that an executive of a party that is Congress was held in violation of a court order should be allowed to remain. Then suddenly again another one is being filed just when the court has even closed in the night for the local government election to be stopped. Even when there's another one that judgment had been reserved for the local government election to be stopped. What is going on at that Federal High Court? So I want to use this opportunity to alert Nigerians of this strange, judicial, abracadabra people are perpetrating all in a bid to have access to public funds which does not belong to them. The local government election in River State will hold on October 3rd. The law, the reset law is simple. The electoral laws are very simple. That no court order can stop election. Why do we need to drag down at the Federal High Court because of Wike group? Do you want to destroy it completely? Almost over 36 suits there. Full because of one single individual. Is this what Justice Soho's Federal High Court will be known for? I listened to this Chief Justice of the Federation, CJN. You should start with Federal High Court in any reform you want to do. These things are becoming embarrassing. Court is closing, somebody is filing. Give me a suit number, give me a suit number. So that you restrain a local government election that is going. There is a judgment of a Supreme Court that this local government election must be held. When they are held, you can go to court to challenge them. Supreme Court has already given a judgment on it. Even the federal government that they claim to be serving has also issued directive that anybody that doesn't have a democratically elected local government will not receive the LUG allocation. And then the Pro-Wike group is running around the Federal High Court to stop that local government election from holding against the directive of their president, against the judgment of the Supreme Court. So let's not undermine the Federal High Court because there is no judgment, there is no order that can stop that election from holding on October 5th. And I want them to hear this very clear. That election will hold on October 5th. The method of conduct of this election in some states have not been pleasant. But as we advance further, we will amend them. But this election must hold. So I don't agree to this idea of people keeping quiet and then our Federal High Court is now being used as a place whereby if mosquito bite them in the night, injunction from the Federal High Court, if their wife does not sleep with the Federal High Court Abuja, we should not allow that to happen. So I want to allow the seizure of the Federal High Court of this new strange application that have been filed, are being filed at the Federal High Court, even at the close of business, to get an order to stop the local government election from holding and for a judgment that will nullify that local government election from holding. Let's not get involved in things that will continue to undermine and destroy the integrity of the Federal High Court.